Since the rise of electronic currencies, significant changes have reshaped the financial market and conventional banking. Most individuals now conduct all their transactions using cryptocurrencies, which in turn presented a new challenge: the secure storage of these digital assets. This is precisely where electronic wallets became crucial for securely storing and resolving these significant and unavoidable issues. They empower users to simultaneously store and effectively manage their digital currencies within a single interface. Electronic wallets are categorized into two primary types: cold wallets and hot wallets. For this video, our specific focus will be on cold wallets, with particular attention to the Ledger Nano S wallet, recognized as a leading example in its category. We will cover all of its features, explain how to use it effectively, and demonstrate the proper method for Get One. Therefore, I strongly recommend that you don't miss a single minute of this video. Ledger is a French company specializing in the design and production of electronic wallets for cryptocurrencies, catering to both individuals and businesses. It first emerged in 2014, impressively achieving significant success within a short span of only 6 years, and has also successfully established its own platform for digital currencies. This digital asset company, based on blockchain technology, has its headquarters in Paris, New York, Vierzon, and Hong Kong. The company is also well regarded, thanks to its team of 170 brilliant and professional developers, who diligently work on developing various products designed to protect digital currencies. It also excelled in pioneering its very own operating system, BOLOS, which played a crucial role by enabling the creation of its unique wallet. This wallet is crafted in a USB form factor and offered in various sizes and designs. You can easily carry it in your pocket, much like a mobile phone, ensuring it's always accessible. It's specifically engineered to accommodate numerous types of cryptocurrencies simultaneously, boasting substantial storage capacity and an array of remarkable diverse features. So, let's explore the features of the Ledger Nano S hardware wallet for storing cryptocurrencies and understand why utilizing cold wallets is essential for securing your digital assets. To understand all the advantages of cold wallets, they are characterized by complete security, have no direct internet connection, and you can carry them with you wherever you go. They save you from the hacking problems that wallets connected to the internet are exposed to. You can use it to store all your digital currencies securely after transferring them from your internet-connected wallet. It supports many types of digital currencies, with a large storage capacity of up to 1,000 tokens in case you lose it. Your currency is safe even if lost, as you can restore it. It is protected by sophisticated security measures, making it an impenetrable fortress against hackers. It's known for its ease of use and smoothness, with no complications at all. For instance, if you have a bank account and it's hacked by an unknown individual, all your funds could be stolen. In that situation, the bank has the ability to step in and get all the stolen money back. However, if the same incident were to occur with your electronic wallets, resulting in the theft of all your digital currencies, it would be virtually impossible to recover them. The majority of cryptocurrencies are decentralized and not supported by any central bank, making it truly impossible to track them or ascertain their location. Now, we come to the Ledger Nano Cold Wallet, which is categorized as a cold wallet. This means it remains disconnected from the internet, ensuring it is completely impervious to any hacking attempts. That's why it's the most suitable choice for storing all your currencies. One of the key characteristics of the Ledger Nano wallet is its development with maximum simplicity in mind, ensuring it is exceptionally easy for users to operate. The Ledger Nano wallet was also designed in different sizes, making it easy for users to carry it anywhere. Additionally, they incorporated a compact screen into it, allowing you to monitor the process of sending or receiving your digital currencies. This feature works seamlessly across various devices, including desktops, laptops, and tablets, supporting all major operating systems such as Android, iOS, and more. So if your digital wallet gets compromised, there's no way to recover it. Therefore, using cold wallets is essential because they are entirely protected from any potential hacking dangers. Among the prominent security features of the Ledger Wallet's protection portfolio is its PIN code functionality, which strengthens your cold wallet. This is quite useful if you happen to misplace it and someone tries to gain unauthorized access. It also effectively prevents any hacker from infiltrating the device, even when connected to the internet, essentially forming a powerful barrier, strong enough to keep all other sensitive information safe, like your private keys. These are the private keys that are used to recover all your cryptocurrencies back to the wallet. Another one of the key features of the Ledger Nano wallet is its top-tier encryption for ultimate protection. This is thanks to its ST31 and STM32 chips, which provide exceptionally advanced security, essentially acting as a robust shield to create an ideal environment for storing your cryptocurrencies and keeping them incredibly secure. It also protects everything the wallet contains, from currencies to sensitive information, as certified by its users. The Ledger Nano wallet lets you download an unlimited number of various digital currencies, notably Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. It also supports numerous other applications, which the Ledger Nano allows you to use easily within it, making it one of the best available options for a personal wallet to safely store all your digital currencies. It is also considered the best open ledger wallet because it incorporates the most advanced secure element chips to safeguard all your valuable data. It also allows for the self-storage of all currencies, including Ripple, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. It also ensures complete safety for any quick transaction. You can also use Google Chrome on your computer to comfortably convert, send, or receive various cryptocurrencies. This is the Ledger Nano S package, roughly phone box size. On the back, it indicates that it displays various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum directly on its screen. It also states that it was manufactured in France. Upon unboxing, you'll discover accessories such as a USB cable, a ring, and a lanyard, perfect for wearing your ledger around your neck or attaching it to your keys. Additionally, a 24-word recovery phrase guide is included. This enables recovery of your ledger or password if they become lost. It can be opened within the wallet to reveal hidden information. The device also features a screen and a USB port, alongside a paper containing a website. Navigate to the website .com/start. You'll find instructions on how to get started at the very bottom of the page. First, download the application, then turn on the hardware and enter your password. Then, install the application as an electronic wallet to load your currencies onto it, then link it to your account. You can also transfer directly from exchanges to the Ledger Nano S. This is the Ledger Live application. You have three choices: set up new device, restore device from recovery phrase, which involves using the 24 words you previously saved to recover your device, or skip device setup, allowing you to enter the application without setting up a new device. Select the first option to set up a new device and then choose your ledger model. This screen displays Welcome and prompts you to simultaneously press the left and right buttons. These buttons allow you to cycle through the options presented on the screen, and pressing them together will confirm your selected choice. Select Ledger Nano S and continue. It will then show you Choose Your PIN. Then, press both buttons together as prompted. It will inform you that the right button confirms and the left one declines. Following this, it will request your PIN code. You input the PIN code, and once entered, you are allowed to specify the desired number of digits for your code. Next, you'll be instructed to input the 24 words found on the paper provided with the device. To confirm, simply press both buttons simultaneously. It will show you the first word, for example, apology, and so on for all 24 words, which you must write down on the sheet provided with the device. Following this, you'll be prompted to confirm that you have recorded every single word. You'll then be asked to input a specific word, for example, word number 10 or word number 19, and so forth. Simply input it this way, pressing both buttons simultaneously, and you'll be prompted for multiple words. After confirming these steps, the display will show you New Device, indicating that the setup process has been successfully completed and your device is now ready for operation. Press both buttons again. After that, your device will be connected. Then press Continue. Proceed with the steps, and it will ask you to confirm if you have already input your PIN code and all 24 recovery words. And is the device genuine or not? Simply press Check Now, and it will display Ledger Manager. Just press both buttons, and the program will then indicate whether your device is genuine or not. Next, you will be prompted to enter a password for the application that is installed on your computer. After that, it shows you the Nano S's capacity and the number of available programs to download from the app catalog. There are electronic currencies you can download by hitting Install. It will then display how many kilobytes of the overall Ledger Nano S storage space have been utilized, shown under Apps Installed. Next, to add an Ethereum account, you'll be prompted to press both buttons on the device, and then the application will become available for use. Press the right button, and the download progress will display on your computer screen. You'll proceed to the final step. This displays your account and the updated balance following the transfer. Press Receive to get funds, choose Ethereum, and press OK for Ethereum. For instance, it will go to the Ledger Nano, provide you with an address, and then prompt you to confirm it on the device. Verify the address on the device and press Approve. You must transfer the amount by entering the address and then the amount. After that, go to the device and approve the address for the transaction to be sent. Without this approval, the transaction will not go through. And on your computer, you'll find the balance that was sent to your ledger in Ledger Live. You will also see the transfers that have already been sent, as well as those that are currently still in progress and not yet fully completed. And just like that, the Ledger Nano S is now successfully connected to your computer through the Ledger Live application. Share your questions in the comments and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.